Hey everyone, welcome to Dancing with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you, now I'm going to dance. This dance is very special to me because I had the pleasure of dancing and creating the demo with the choreographer Gwen Walker. So I hope you love it as much as we do. But before I get started, don't forget to hit that like, share, leave me any comments, let Gwen know how much you love her dance. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Weight is on your left. You're going to do 2 Monterey quarter turns for a total of a half. So weight on your left. You're going to point right, step down, turn a quarter, point left, step down, point right, turn a quarter, step down right, point left. Let's do that by the count. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You finish that last section with your weight on your left. You're now going to do a quarter pivot to your left, jazz box, half pivot left. So here's what that looks like. Weight on your left, step forward right, quarter pivot to your left, take your weight left, jazz box, cross right over left, left back, right to the side, step left next to right. Then you're going to do a half pivot left, step forward right, pivot half left, take the weight left. Let's do that by the count. Weight on your left, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You finish that last section with your weight on your left. You're going to do a right lock step scuff, a left lock step scuff. So here's what that looks like. Weight on your left. You're going to step right lock, right scuff, left lock, left scuff. Let's do that by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You finish that last section with your weight on your left because remember you scuffed forward right. You're going to do a K-step with some claps. So here's what that looks like. Weight on your left. You're going to step forward, touch, clap, step back left, bring the right, clap, clap, step back right, touch left, clap, step forward left, touch right, clap, clap. Let me show you that K-step with some counts so you can see where that clap falls in. Weight on your left, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. No tags or restarts, full dance by the counts. Weight on your left, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Thanks for watching. See you next dance.